In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Keep label. Although you can't directly share Google Keep labels, there is a way to collaborate with others by sharing individual notes that are tagged with these labels. Let's dive in and explore how to make this happen, ensuring you can share your organized thoughts and tasks effectively with others. First, open your Google browser. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google Apps icon. This icon looks like a small grid composed of dots. Clicking this will reveal a menu with various Google services. From the menu, select Google Keep. This vibrant yellow icon will take you directly to the Google Keep homepage where you can start managing your notes. Now look through your notes and open the specific note that is tagged with the label you wish to share. It's important to choose the correct note to ensure you're sharing exactly what you intend to. Once you've opened the desired note, focus your attention on the options available at the bottom or top of your note interface. Here, you're looking for the collaborator option, which is typically represented by an icon of a person with a plus sign. Clicking this will open a new window where you can add collaborators. In this new window, you'll see a field to enter email addresses. You can type in the email address or Google group of the person you wish to share the note with. This step is crucial as it determines who will have access to view and possibly edit the note and its labels. After entering the email address, the final step is to click on the Save button. This action confirms the addition of the new collaborator, effectively sharing the note with them. Keep in mind that once shared, the recipient will not only have access to the note itself, but also the ability to see and edit the labels associated with it. This feature is particularly useful for collaborative projects where task management and organization are key, and just like that, you've successfully learned how to share a Google Keep label by sharing individual notes. This method allows for seamless collaboration and helps ensure that all involved parties stay on track and organized. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.